1973, a Sicilian woman wrote to her husband who immigrated to Germany for work. Both are illiterate. Here's the exceptional testimony found by the famous Sicilian writer Gesualdo Bufalino. My dear love, my heart is tormented by your faraway thought, and I stretch my arms toward you, together with the 3 kids, all in good health, me and the 2 older, unwell but not seriously the little one. The previous letter I sent you didn't receive a reply, and I am sad about it. Your mother, hit by disease, is in the hospital, where I go visit her. Do not worry that I go there empty-handed or alone, generating gossip. Our middle son comes with me, while the oldest looks after the youngest. Our little field, I ensured that it was ploughed and sown. To the 2 daily workers, I gave 150,000 lire. The town elections were held. I voted for the Christian democracy, as the parish suggested. For the hammer and sickle, the defeat has been huge, as if they died in a coffin. But whether one or the other wins, it's the same. Nothing changes for us poor people. We dug yesterday, and we will dig again tomorrow. Many olives this year from our olive trees. The men and 2 guys I hired, one to knock them down, the others to pick them from the ground, cost me 27,000 lire. I spent 12,000 more for the olives press. I obtained enough foil to fill a larger jar and a small one. I can sell it at the current price, which is 1,300 lire a liter. My faraway love, my heart thinks of you, now especially that Christmas is close. I wish that I were with you. Heart to heart, a hug then from me and our 3 little kids. Goodbye, dear love. My heart is yours, and I'm faithful to you, joined to you as our 2 rings are.